Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I'll be showing. Be quiet. Be quiet. Say hi.
Hi.
That was my dad. Yeah, I'm going to my
Oh, tingnan ng tatanan.
I'm really inside my head. What the? You guys see this bell here? Do you guys hear that? So this thing is really controlling you right now. Ow! So everyone, I'm really recording this loud because that song is so loud, pa. So I just wanted you to see my new merch named Woo! You can search for Jen Arufrey the Bear Wolf.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome LeBron James. Before I get started on the speech that I have, I want to acknowledge all the lives that was lost Sunday morning.
Ah, that's so
Melissa
cute.
Rosabelli, John, Christina Mouse, the staff, not only from the organization, but from everybody. Everybody that's here. Kobe is a brother to me. Here, for as long as we can. So in the words of Kobe Bryant, Mamba out, but in the words of us, not forgotten. Live on, brother.
Ah!
One guard number 363,
Sorry for this.
17, CJ McCollum.
That's so stupid.
16th season from UCLA, Trevor Ariza.
Stop making this dinner up for you.